In front of me is CUBOT King Kong X, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to 1 hour. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Caffeine Keep Screen On and get this app from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK, tap on Timeout and make sure 1 hour is on. Over here. Now to make it work, go into Tab menu, use pen icon to edit it. Scroll down, look for Caffeine shortcut and drag it to your current shortcuts. Place it wherever you want to, go back, and last but not least, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!